Executive Country Estate situated in the historic rolling hills of Washington County in a lovely gated community known as the Lakes of Chapel Hill. The one-story main home, 3479 SFLA, includes 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, library, formal dining, open living with fireplace, island kitchen, breakfast and sunroom overlooking lake. Built with Austin stone exterior, galvanized metal roof, 6 inches exterior walls, plus 2x12s in attic, with 15x23 floored attic and 13 feet insulation west private stairway for storage, engineered floor braces, 50-8 piers, 2 to 50 gallon electric water heaters, gas central heat, Trane central air cooling systems, 4 and 5 ton units, beautiful wood floors, 9 feet doors throughout, 12 feet ceilings and more. Kitchen was stainless KitchenAid refrigerator and convection oven, Bosch dishwasher, microwave, Bosch gas cooktop, Silestone kitchen countertops, large walk-in pantry. Garage is 3-car attached with hookup for the generator. Guest house, stone with large covered front porch, 2-story ceiling in living, dining and kitchen, stone fireplace, downstairs bedroom, bath and large walk-in closet, stairs to dormitory room with lots of storage and another full bath, separate driveway entrance from side road for convenience. Plus, barn, 40x60, west/4 horse stalls, office, 1/2 bath, feed room and covered entertaining area. Perimeter fencing. Private lake frontage. Water well 400 feet deep in aerobic septic system. Located minutes from Brenham, 40 minutes from Cypress North Houston and Bryan College Station and in the award-winning Brenham ISD.